Welcome class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. Today we are back with another AutoCAD 3D modeling tutorial video. I hope you have all enjoyed our previous AutoCAD 3D modeling tutorial videos. So if you like our tutorial videos, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification and for more information about Logic Designs YouTube channel. So let's get started our today's video tutorial. First, click on Start Drawing icon. Now you can see here AutoCAD 3D modeling working interface is open. First, off the grid and ortho on. Now put limits for the today's drawing. Put your limits, then 0 tap 0 for lower corner, then upper corner 420 by 297. Then press Z plus enter button for zoom. For scale factor, press A plus enter button. Now you can see here our limits are set for this drawing. Now next one, our today's drawing for AutoCAD 3D modeling. Now you can see here this is front view and top view of today's modeling. Before start the drawing, please read all annotations from top view and front view of the drawing. Now here I am reading some annotations from this drawing. You can see here front view in a bottom side and top view in a upper side. From this drawing we need to create first front view, okay, on isometric plane. For that we need to select home icon first. Now you can see here all three axes are visible for us. First, select line and create one vertical line. Here I am creating vertical line. Okay, distance is 50 mm. Then again upper horizontal line for creating L shape. The distance is 12 mm. Then again for bottom side, distance is 38 mm and longer distance is for horizontal line is 88 mm. Now again connect this line to our first point of this line, vertical line. Now join all these lines for extrude command. For that put J from keyboard. Now you can see here this is all single lines. Now put join command or J in command bar. Now select all lines and press enter. Now you can see here this all separate lines is converted into single 3D polyline. Now go to extrude command and select this object, L shape object. Now put here distance 50 mm. Here I am putting 50 mm distance. You can see here in top view. Okay. Now our L shape component is created. Now you can see here shaded of gray L shaped object is created. Now again 2D wireframe. Now again create 38 by 48 mm square from this endpoint. For that select square or rectangle and select this corner point. Select rectangle and select this corner point. Put here distance first minus 38 mm. Put here minus 38 mm plus tab, then minus 48 mm. Because this rectangle is left side of this axis. For that we taken negative or minus point. Now go to the extrude command and extrude this up to 26 mm. I can see here, I go to again shaded of gray, the object is created. Next one, we need to create the angular line from this point for creating rib. Now again go to the 2D wireframe and select line. Select this corner point and again ortho off and create triangle. I can see here these lines are separated, selected. Now again join command. Here I am putting J for join, then select these lines. Here I am selecting these lines for creating 3D polyline. Now I can see here 3D polyline is created with join. Now again extrude command. I can put here 10 mm distance. Okay, now again go to the shaded of gray. Okay, now again go to the 2D wireframe. Okay, now next one, we need to create a circle for extrude cut. First, select left side view for creating circle. I can see here I am selecting left. Now adjust our object for better visualization. Select circle, select midpoint of this rectangle and create radius 12 mm circle. That means diameter is 24 mm. Now create line for activate trim command. Now TR plus double enter to activate trim command. Now again we need to use join command. For that put J plus enter. I can see here join command. Select this arc and line and press enter. I can see here join command is activated. Now extrude this object up to 28 mm. Now we need to subtract this object from our main object. First go to subtract and select first object. Then subtract object and press enter. Now go to the shaded of gray. Please follow all steps as per our video tutorial. For that we need full concentration on video tutorial. This is a simple object to create in AutoCAD 3D. Now next one, we need to give fillet at a corner edge. Now go to the solid, then fillet edge, select this corner edge, then radius is 20 mm. Now you can see here the corner edge is converted into fillet edge. Now next one, we need to create 15 mm diameter extrude cut circle on top face. Now select top here and create circle of 15 mm diameter. Now go to extrude command to extrude this circle. Extrude this circle up to 20 mm because we need to subtract this object from our main object. Now first select object, then subtract object, then press enter. Now go to the shaded of gray. I can see here our 15 mm diameter hole is created. Now next one, we need to rename these all objects in a single 3D model. For that union command is activated and select all object. Now I can see here our all separate object converted into single 3D object. That's it class. This is our today's video tutorial of AutoCAD 3D modeling. This is a simple object to create in AutoCAD 3D. I hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. Then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel for latest updated design videos, tips and tricks in AutoCAD as well as SolidWorks. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and please don't forget to press the bell icon for notification of our Logic Designs YouTube channel. So be happy, stay safe and keep watching.